You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I love this word. It's quite confusing indeed for a lot of people. Provocation. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. By the way, if you want to learn how to say provocateur and how it's pronounced and what it means, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Provocation. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.